Hi, this is session 2 of React course for beginners. In this session, we will set up environment for developing React applications. I am assuming that you are using Windows operating system. Alright, let's look at the steps required to set up the environment of React. So the first step is we would need to install Node.js. So how can we install Node.js? We can install it after downloading the Node.js from the Node.js website. So flip to any browser and type Node.js in Google, and which will take you to the Node.js website. And from here, you can download Node.js. And after downloading it, you can install it. I'm not going to install since I have installed already on my machine. So after downloading it, open up command prompt in your machine and type for the command node-v in order to check the node version. So here if you could see version 12.14.0 is the node version that is installed on my machine. And alternatively, you can use this command also to check the version of the node double hyphen version, so which will also tell you the node version. All right, our first step is over, and let's look at what is next. And we would need to install creating React app. So what is the command for installing it? The command is npm install hyphen global. I mean, if you want to install it globally, you need to specify hyphen g, or if you would like to install on your current directly, then this is not required. If you want to install it in the current directory, then we'll have to specify only dot. All right, so let's install this. Npm install. I'm going to install it globally, so I'm giving this hyphen g and create hyphen react hyphen app. So let's give enter. So this will install creating React app globally. So this would take a couple of minutes based on your internet speed. So this is installing now. All right, it is installed now. So let's look at the next step required. So next step is we will need to create our project. So let's see the command for creating up our first React project. So in order to create the React project, the command is create hyphen React hyphen app and the project name. So let's go ahead and create our first React application. So I'm going to create our React application in this path, that is in the E drive, and inside vndita clone folder, and inside applications I'm going to create our React app. So let's create hyphen React hyphen app and provide the project name. So I'm going to name it as React demo. And once you provided this command, let's hit enter, so which will create the React application on your computer. Since I have already created a React demo a project on my machine, I'm not going to create it because it will take time. It will take a couple of minutes based on your internet speed to create up the project. In order to avoid that, I have already created it. So let's navigate to that folder and look for the React demo folder. So here it is. All right, so React demo is created. So in our demo, in order to demonstrate, we are going to use Visual Studio Code as a editor. So let's open up Visual Studio Code And again, Visual Studio Code also you can download it from Google, and this is a freeware and open source and very lightweight to use. So Visual Studio Code. And if you'd like to do it online, then we would be using Code Pen. Alright, so our Visual Studio Code is opened. Let's open up the folder which we have created now. So we have created React demo. So let's navigate to that folder and open up React demo. So this has opened our project. So let's see what is the next step. So next step is run the project. So what is the command to run our project, or what is the command to run React project? So command is npm start. So let's run our project by giving this command. And our project resides in this path. So let's navigate to that path and provide the command npm start. So on your computer, React project will run on the port 3000. So this is all right. This is running now. Here, if you could see, uh, edit src slash app.js and save to reload. And this is the default page of React application. All right. Let's look from where this content is coming from. Let's navigate to Visual Studio Code and click index.html, and this is the container and uh, in which the content is being loaded, and the content you see on the browser is coming from the app.js file. And here if you could see learn react is the content which we are seeing on the browser. So I'm just editing it. Learn React from VND Tech Learn. So after the change, let's save and look at the browser. If you could see, the content is changed now. Alright, that's it in this session, and in our next session we will start using React functionalities. Alright, thanks for watching. Have a good one.